Hi everyone, welcome back to Timeless Tales. Today, we're venturing to the vibrant city of Columbus, Ohio to uncover its hidden gems and rich heritage. Join me on this journey as we discover the charm of Columbus. Columbus, situated in the heart of the Midwest, boasts an unexpected natural beauty. From the serene Franklin Park Conservatory to the scenic Scioto Audubon Metro Park, the city is home to numerous parks and green spaces that offer a tranquil escape from urban life. Columbus is also a city steeped in history and culture. Visit the Ohio State House, a stunning example of Greek Revival architecture, or explore the vibrant art scene at the Columbus Museum of Art. One of Columbus' greatest charms is its eclectic neighborhoods, each with its own distinct character, from the trendy boutiques of the short north to the historic charm of German Village. There's a neighborhood for every interest and style. Columbus' cultural scene is equally impressive, with the short north arts district showcasing vibrant street art, boutique shops, and galleries, while the historic German Village charms with its quaint architecture and traditional German cuisine. From the Ohio State University's beautiful campus to the Columbus Museum of Art's world-class exhibitions, the city's unique blend of natural beauty and cultural attractions makes it a must-visit destination in the Midwest. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Columbus, Ohio. This vibrant city has so much to offer, from its natural beauty to its rich history and culture. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more historical adventures. Join us next time on Timeless Tales as we explore more fascinating destinations around the world. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video.